Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the specs of JBL Tune 520BT with the JBL Tune 670NC, so let's start. Now the first thing to say is that JBL Tune 670NC not only has a Bluetooth, but it got also jack, so this is important to know. Now the weight is better for 520BT, you're gonna have it up to like maybe 15-20 grams, so it's light comparing to JBL Tune 670NC. Now the JBL Tune 670NC got better the battery life up to like 13 hours plus. Now the quick charge is same on both. Driver size is better for the JBL Tune 670NC. Bluetooth version is same in both. A really good important thing is the JBL Tune 670NC got also adaptive noise cancelling, so that's good. And now when we're going to look here on additional features, you have the adaptive noise cancelling and also voice aware, which is in my opinion really good. Yes, it's going to be more expensive, but if you're looking for better hours, if you're looking for adaptive noise cancelling, and if you don't mind paying more for the product, then the JBL Tune 670NC is going to be better comparing to the JBL Tune 520BT. And also with the JBL Tune 670NC, you have also cable there. So in that regard, it can be better comparing to JBL Tune 520BT. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to make this quick video for you to give you more advice regards what's good. So have a great day and goodbye.